Okay, I'm at my newest listing here in Aberdeen. How cool is this house? I absolutely love it. It's almost 3,000 square feet. It's on a quarter of an acre. Location's great. Let me turn this around. We'll do a tour. You can take a look. I already saw someone driving by. I just listed it, and there's two cars slowing down, driving by. She's pointing at it. So you know this one's gonna go quick. And yeah, let's go. I'll show you the home. I love this location here. Okay, here's the house right here. Just gorgeous. It's gonna be beautiful out here. You're set back off the road. It's a nice little quiet street here. The house looks amazing. On the outside here, you'll see they put in a heat pump, which I love. I mean, just this craftsman style. It's beautiful. Up here, a nice big front porch, patio. You got a nice view out here as well. There's a nice little kids daycare center right over there. So if you do have young kids, you can hang out here and drop them off. Here is gonna be your front entrance. So you do have the nice fireplace right there. So you saw the new exhaust on the outside. This is your front entrance, coat hanger. Right here is nice. You have some nice built-ins right there for you. There is a mini split. And it's just a nice view. Nice tall ceilings as well. Off the dining room here again, we'll have some nice built-ins. From the dining room, you have the kitchen in the back here, which I love. You also have your backyard. Back here, nice big backyard as well. It's huge. And you do have this side of the fence over there as well for parking. It's fully fenced right back in there. Look how beautiful this arbutus. Is that a madrona tree? Oh yeah, right there. Arbutus madrona tree. Gorgeous. Nice big backyard, fully fenced in. And on the side, you have all this parking. So boat, RV. So that's still your house over there to the fence as well. This kitchen, the refrigerator looks great. A lot of space to cook. And then again, you're right back in here to the dining room. How beautiful just looking out these windows are. On the main floor here, you'll have a few different rooms. You have a nice big bedroom here and nice windows. These are nice big closets, the bedrooms right here. So plenty of space. Have little cadet heaters there for you. This has a nice full bath. Shower and tub, even cute little built-ins on the side for storage. There's your shower and tub for you. Then you have one more bedroom here, right on the main floor. Again, nice big windows. Nice big closet for you. All the way through. And again, more built-ins in the hallway and closet. Linen closet there for you. All right, let's go upstairs from the main dining room. And you'll have another full bath right here. Shower and tub. Try not to get in your video. How's it going? Again, still nice high ceilings. I'm 6 foot and I'm having no issue with the ceiling here, which is nice. You have a bedroom right in here, which is awesome. I love this. Plenty of closet space here off the bedroom. Nice view out this direction. Again, you have little cadet heaters there. Love the sconces running down and through. And then another bedroom here. This would be a great office off the master. This has a huge extra storage down here as well. Plenty of storage in the house. The house is huge. This is cool view out your window. You literally watch the beach storms roll in through Aberdeen, out all these windows. And I mean, get your work done, whatever you're doing here. So from here, we'll go down and I'll take you down to the basement. There's a huge basement and I'll take you in the backyard. If you have any questions, you want to tour this, want to visit it, let me know. We can set up a private showing for you as well on this property. So here's the basement here. Stairs, newer, nice plywood coming throughout. So you have a nice big storage. At least you can see everything underneath. It's great. The panels right here for you as well. Nice new panel. Everything's set up, organized. You do have a back door out the back. There is a sump pump here for water as well. You have the hot water tank right there for you also. Okay, backyard right out the back. Huge backyard. Drone trees, there's your side fence that you can come in off the front if you'd like. And here's your side driveway, so you can go down the back alley, park right there, and then you have this whole side yard as well. Looks like they may have had an old canopy here for storage. And again, you have a nice front side yard also up there. So this is just one beautiful home. A nice big lot. Take you around the side gate here. And look how nice this is. And there's heat pump for the mini split there. That's for the fireplace coming out, and a nice huge big backyard or front yard. Honestly, if you wanted to fence all this in, you could. No HOAs or anything like that here. And again, this is really cool. Front patio. You just chill and hang out. Welcome to Aberdeen. Absolutely love it. Again, look how nice this is coming in. Living room, and this is priced perfect. So if you have any questions, give me a call. If you have any questions or you want to look at this listing, give me a call. I can set up an appointment for you. Like I said, if you want anything more on pictures or videos as well, let me know. But this is a beautiful craftsman home out here in Aberdeen, which I love. Aberdeen's been booming. It still has. And to have something really cool in Aberdeen, a nice big home with a good chunk of land, backyard, front yard, no HOAs. The house is nice, plenty of space for the kids, for you to run around, or just for your own private little writing retreat here in Aberdeen. With a lot of natural light, a lot of windows, and a lot of character. This is your home. Call me, Captain Ron. Watch my tours, watch my listings. Have a good day.